Alright, this is the air compressor I'm selling, central pneumatic. What size is it actually? It's 21 gallons. There's the info plate on it. 2.5 horsepower, 120 volt, 21 gallons. Pressure switch is 125 psi. The valve usually cuts out at about 130. I don't know if you can see that there. It's just under 5 CFM, so it does run most power tools. Hook a hose up to it here. Sorry for the terrible video. Grab an air tool. So this is an old impact. And let's see. Works fairly well. See if we can get the compressor to kick back in, use enough air. I'm actually gonna have to run this thing for a while just to get the air down low enough. Irritating noise. So it cuts in just below 90, and as you can see, it runs even high air usage tools like an impact for quite a while before it has to cut back in again. There's what I'm replacing it with. Sorry for the twisting of the video all over the place, but as you can see, I won't need that little guy now that I got that monster. Thank you.